Imagine stepping into your garden and finding fresh food waiting for you year after year without having to start from scratch each spring. No endless reseeding, no constant transplanting, and no worrying about perfect planting windows. Just a thriving garden that becomes more productive with every passing season. That's the incredible advantage of perennial food crops. Unlike annual vegetables that must be replanted every year, perennials establish deep roots, return reliably each season, and often require far less maintenance once mature. With a little patience in the beginning, these plants can provide abundant harvests for many years, even decades. In today's video, we're exploring 9 remarkable perennial food crops that can transform the way you garden. These long-lasting plants offer dependable harvests, reduce your workload, and help create a more sustainable and self-sufficient backyard food supply. Be sure to stay until the end, because some of these perennial powerhouses might become the most valuable plants you ever grow. 1. Asparagus, the undisputed king of perennials. Asparagus truly deserves its reputation as the king of perennial vegetables. When planted properly, a single asparagus bed can remain productive for 20, 25, or even 30 years, making it one of the longest-lasting food crops you can grow. The first year requires patience. Young plants dedicate their energy to developing strong, extensive root systems beneath the soil. During this period, harvesting should be limited or avoided entirely. While it may seem slow at first, the reward is well worth the wait. By the second year, you may enjoy a small harvest, and by the third year, thick, tender spears begin emerging each spring, often before most other vegetables have even started growing. The taste of freshly harvested asparagus is remarkable. Homegrown spears are sweeter, more tender, and far more flavorful than those commonly found in grocery stores. Once established, asparagus is surprisingly easy to maintain. A little mulching, occasional weeding, and seasonal cleanup are usually all it needs. Year after year, it faithfully returns with minimal effort on your part. For gardeners looking for a crop that offers decades of reliable harvests, asparagus is one of the best investments you can make. 2. Rhubarb, the early season performer. Rhubarb may not always receive the attention it deserves, but it is one of the most dependable perennial crops available. Its large leaves and vibrant stalks bring both visual appeal and practical value to the garden. Known for its distinctive tart flavor, rhubarb is perfect for pies, jams, crisps, sauces, and a variety of other recipes. Once established, a healthy plant can continue producing for 15 to 20 years with very little care. One of rhubarb's greatest advantages is its ability to emerge early in the growing season. While many plants are still dormant, rhubarb is already producing thick, harvest-ready stalks, making it one of the first edible crops of spring. It grows best in fertile, well-draining soil and enjoys full sun to partial shade. After establishment, it requires very little watering and rarely experiences serious pest or disease problems. There is one important safety note. Only the stalks should be eaten. The leaves contain toxic compounds and must never be consumed. With its longevity, resilience, and dependable harvests, rhubarb is an excellent addition to any perennial food garden. 3. Jerusalem artichokes, the underground abundance machine. Jerusalem artichokes, also known as sunchokes, are among the most productive perennial crops you can grow. Once planted, they quickly establish themselves and return year after year with increasingly impressive harvests. A small number of tubers can produce an astonishing amount of food. At harvest time, gardeners are often surprised by the abundance of crisp, knobby tubers hidden beneath the soil. Their flavor is mildly sweet with a pleasant nutty character that works well in many dishes. In the kitchen, sunchokes are incredibly versatile. They can be roasted for a rich, earthy taste, mashed into a creamy side dish, or sautéed to add texture and flavor to meals. Because the edible portion develops underground, it is naturally protected from many weather-related challenges and common pests. Above the soil, these plants are equally impressive. They grow tall and vigorous, often reaching heights of several feet, and produce cheerful yellow flowers that resemble small sunflowers. These blooms not only brighten the garden, but also attract beneficial pollinators. Jerusalem artichokes are exceptionally hardy. They tolerate drought, poor soil conditions, and neglect far better than most crops. They rarely require fertilizer and are generally free from serious pest and disease issues. However, gardeners should be aware that they spread aggressively. If left unmanaged, they can quickly occupy more space than intended. Planting them in a dedicated area or creating boundaries helps keep them under control while still enjoying their incredible productivity. For anyone seeking a low-maintenance crop that delivers large harvests year after year, Jerusalem artichokes are hard to beat. 4. Horseradish, the flavor-packed root that keeps coming back. Horseradish is one of those plants that settles into the garden and stays for the long haul. For anyone who enjoys bold, spicy flavors, it's a perennial worth growing. Once established, horseradish returns every year, producing thick roots with a powerful kick and requiring very little attention. Freshly harvested horseradish offers an intensity that store-bought versions simply can't match. When grated, the root releases a strong, eye-watering heat, followed by a rich, earthy flavor that enhances sauces, roasts, sandwiches, and pickled foods. Above ground, the plant forms a lush cluster of large green leaves that can easily blend into ornamental beds. Beneath the soil, however, the real treasure develops. The roots grow deep and substantial, providing generous harvests season after season. One reason horseradish is so reliable is its remarkable toughness. It adapts to a wide range of soils, survives harsh winters, and rarely suffers from pests or diseases. Even small root fragments left in the ground can sprout into new plants the following year. Because of its vigorous nature, it's best grown in a dedicated area where it has room to spread. With almost no maintenance and years of dependable production, horseradish is an excellent choice for gardeners seeking a hardy perennial food crop. 5. Egyptian walking onions, the onion that plants itself. Egyptian walking onions are among the most unusual and self-sufficient plants you can add to your garden. Unlike traditional onions, they reproduce in a fascinating way that has earned them their unique name. Rather than producing seeds, these onions develop clusters of small bulbs at the tops of their stems. As the bulbs mature and gain weight, the stalk bends toward the ground until the bulb cluster touches the soil. Once it makes contact, the bulbs root themselves and begin growing as new plants. Over time, this process makes it appear as though the onions are slowly moving across the garden, creating fresh patches without any effort from the gardener. These onions are incredibly useful in the kitchen. The green shoots can be harvested like scallions, the underground bulbs can be used like regular onions, and the top sets make excellent additions to soups, stews, and pickled dishes. Their resilience is equally impressive. Egyptian walking onions tolerate cold temperatures, poor soil conditions, and periods of neglect with ease. Once established, they continue multiplying and producing harvests year after year without reseeding or replanting. For gardeners interested in creating a truly self-sustaining food garden, few crops demonstrate nature's efficiency better than Egyptian walking onions. They not only provide food but also ensure their own survival for future seasons. 6. Artichokes, the perfect blend of beauty and productivity. Artichokes are among the most striking edible plants you can grow. They combine dramatic ornamental appeal with delicious harvests, making them one of the most rewarding perennial crops for home gardeners. In regions with mild winters, globe artichokes can remain productive for many years. Each season, they produce large, tender flower buds that are prized in kitchens around the world. Freshly harvested artichokes offer exceptional flavor and texture, creating a culinary experience far superior to store-bought alternatives. Their visual appeal is just as impressive. Artichokes develop bold, architectural foliage with silvery green leaves that stand out in any landscape. If left unharvested, the buds open into spectacular purple flowers that attract pollinators and become a focal point in the garden. Once established, artichoke plants reward gardeners with consistent harvests and a strong ornamental presence. They bring elegance, productivity, and character to any growing space. Whether grown for their delicious edible buds or their stunning appearance, artichokes are a perennial investment that continues to pay off year after year, offering both beauty and abundance in equal measure. 7. Sorrel, the hardy green, that returns year after year. Sorrel may not be as widely known as other leafy greens, but it's one of the most rewarding perennial vegetables a gardener can grow. With its fresh, citrus-like flavor and remarkable resilience, sorrel brings both variety and reliability to the garden. One of its biggest advantages is its early arrival. Long before many vegetables begin growing, sorrel is already producing vibrant green leaves, offering one of the first harvests of the season. Once established, it returns faithfully every spring and continues producing for years with very little effort. Its pleasantly tart flavor adds brightness to salads, soups, sauces, and cooked dishes. Young leaves are tender and perfect for fresh eating, while older leaves can be lightly cooked and enjoyed much like spinach. Unlike many annual greens that quickly struggle in warm weather, sorrel remains productive for a much longer period and adapts well to a variety of growing conditions. Whether planted in rich garden soil or more challenging locations, it continues to thrive and provide dependable harvests. For generations, gardeners have valued sorrel for its unique taste, durability, and ease of cultivation. Once you experience how productive and low maintenance it is, you'll understand why it deserves a permanent place in a perennial food garden. 8. Perennial kale, fresh greens, season after season. If you enjoy growing kale but dislike starting over every year, perennial kale may become one of your favorite garden plants. Unlike traditional kale varieties that need frequent replanting, perennial kale continues producing nutritious leaves for many years. This vigorous plant provides a steady supply of greens throughout much of the year. Harvesting leaves regularly actually encourages new growth, allowing the plant to remain productive for extended periods. Perennial kale is also remarkably tough. It tolerates cold weather, windy conditions, and less than ideal soils while continuing to produce healthy foliage. Once established, it becomes one of the most dependable crops in the garden. Because of its longevity and productivity, perennial kale is especially popular in permaculture systems and sustainable gardens. It fits perfectly into low-maintenance growing spaces where long-term food production is a priority. For gardeners seeking a reliable source of fresh greens without the annual cycle of sowing and transplanting, perennial kale offers an almost effortless solution. It quietly produces nutritious harvests while asking for very little in return. 9. Strawberries, sweet harvests that multiply on their own. Few garden crops are as universally loved as strawberries. Their sweet flavor, bright color, and easy-growing nature make them a favorite among both beginner and experienced gardeners. Although strawberries are considered short-lived perennials, they can remain productive for years when properly maintained. Their secret lies in their ability to spread naturally through runners. These long stems extend from the parent plant, root themselves nearby, and develop into new fruit-producing plants. Over time, a small strawberry patch can expand into a dense, productive bed that yields larger harvests with each passing season. This natural ability to reproduce makes strawberries one of the easiest fruits to maintain. The reward comes when you pick a fully ripened berry straight from the garden. Homegrown strawberries are often sweeter, juicier, and far more flavorful than store-bought fruit. With a sunny location, occasional weeding, and a layer of mulch, strawberries continue producing delicious fruit year after year. They not only provide an abundant harvest, but also create an attractive living ground cover that enhances the beauty of the garden. 10. Conclusion: building a garden that lasts. These 9 incredible perennial crops prove that growing food doesn't always require starting over every season. By planting them once and giving them a strong start, you can enjoy years, even decades, of reliable harvests. Imagine walking into your garden each spring and finding nutritious vegetables, flavorful herbs, and sweet fruits already growing and ready to thrive. That's the true advantage of perennial gardening. These plants establish themselves, become more productive over time, and dramatically reduce the work needed to maintain a productive food garden. Whether you choose asparagus, strawberries, perennial kale, or several of these long-lasting crops, each one brings you closer to a more sustainable and self-sufficient garden. Which perennial food plant would you be most excited to grow? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more practical gardening tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. May your garden continue to grow, flourish, and reward you for many seasons to come.